When someone in your city asks ChatGPT for a recommendation, does it mention your business? For most local businesses, the answer is no. And it's not because your business isn't good enough. It's because AI assistants like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI Overviews use a completely different system to decide who gets recommended compared to traditional search engines. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how local businesses can get found on every major AI platform. This is the Local Business AI Visibility Blueprint, and by the end, you'll have a step-by-step plan you can start using today to get more customers through AI recommendations. Section 1. Why local businesses are invisible to AI. Here's the core problem that most local business owners don't even know exists. When someone asks ChatGPT for the best plumber in Austin or a great pizza place in Chicago or a reliable dentist near them, AI doesn't just check Google the way a search engine does. Instead, it builds what's called a knowledge graph, which is essentially a massive web of interconnected information about every business it can find across the entire internet. And if your business has inconsistent information online, different addresses on different websites, different phone numbers on Yelp versus Google, missing business hours, or conflicting service descriptions, AI simply cannot trust your data enough to recommend you with confidence. A recent study found that 68% of local businesses have inconsistent information across the web. That means more than 2/3 of all local businesses are actively being filtered out by AI systems, not because they provide bad service, but because their data doesn't match up across sources. Think about that for a moment. You could have the best restaurant in your city, but if your address on Yelp says Suite 200 and your Google listing says Suite 2, AI gets confused and may skip you entirely. Section 2. The 3 signals AI uses for local recommendations. AI assistants check 3 specific signals before recommending a local business to a user. Understanding these signals is the key to getting recommended consistently. Signal number 1 is consistency. Your business name, address, phone number, and hours need to match perfectly across Google Business Profile, Yelp, Apple Maps, Bing Places, Facebook, and every other major directory. Even small differences like writing St. versus Street or including ink in your name on some listings, but not others, can confuse AI systems. The more places your information appears, and the more consistent it is across all of them, the higher your consistency signal climbs. Signal number 2 is reviews. And this is where most businesses get it wrong. AI doesn't just look at your star rating, it reads and understands the actual text content of your reviews. It looks for specific keywords and phrases that match what a person is asking about. A dentist with 200 reviews that mention root canal, emergency care, and gentle cleaning will get recommended for those specific queries over a dentist with 500 generic 5-star reviews that just say, great experience. The lesson here is clear. You don't just need more reviews. You need more detailed, specific reviews that mention your actual services. Signal number 3 is authority. AI checks whether your business is mentioned by trusted sources in your area and industry. Local newspapers writing about you, community blogs featuring your business, your Chamber of Commerce listing, industry association pages, local event sponsorships, and even podcast appearances all count as authority signals. Each mention acts like a vote of confidence that AI weighs heavily when deciding whether to recommend you over a competitor. Section 3. Your step-by-step action plan. Here are the 5 steps every local business should take this week to start improving their AI visibility. Step 1. Audit your online presence thoroughly. Search for your business on Google, Yelp, Apple Maps, Bing, Facebook, and industry-specific directories. Write down every version of your name, address, and phone number you find. If anything doesn't match, that's your first and most important fix. Step 2. Claim and optimize your Google Business Profile completely. Fill out every single field available. Add high-quality photos, update your hours, including holiday hours, and write a detailed description that includes every service you want to be recommended for. This is the single most important listing for AI visibility because Google's knowledge graph feeds directly into Google, AI Overviews, and many other AI systems. Step 3, get more detailed, specific reviews from your customers. Don't just ask for 5 stars. Ask customers to mention what they liked specifically, what service they used, and whether they'd recommend your business to others. Specific reviews help AI match your business to specific user queries, which is exactly how you get recommended. Step 4, build local authority across the web. Get listed on your city's Chamber of Commerce website, submit your business to local directories, write guest articles for local blogs, sponsor community events, and join industry associations. Each citation and mention builds AI's confidence in your business. Step 5, check your AI visibility regularly and track your progress. Search for your business on ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI Overviews. See what comes up, notice whether you're being recommended and for which specific queries. Track this over time to see if your efforts are paying off. Section 4. The local business advantage. Here's something that surprises a lot of people. Local businesses actually have a significant advantage over national brands when it comes to AI visibility. AI assistants love specificity. When someone asks for a dentist in Denver, AI wants to recommend a specific local dentist, not a generic national chain. Your local expertise, your community presence, your detailed reviews from real local customers, your involvement in community organizations, all of these are signals that make you more recommendable to AI, not less. The businesses winning in AI search right now are the ones with consistent data, detailed reviews, and strong local authority. And the best part is that any local business can build all three of these signals in a matter of weeks, not months. You don't need a massive marketing budget. You don't need a fancy website. You just need to be consistent, get specific reviews, and build local authority. If you want to see how your business stacks up right now, go to scope.online and check your free AI visibility score. It takes 30 seconds, and it'll show you exactly where your business is visible on AI platforms and where it's not, plus a prioritized action plan to fix it. Link is in the description below. And if this video is helpful, hit subscribe because we post a new AI visibility strategy every single day.